Hello and welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. This is my second attempt at this route. I did it earlier this week, but I'd been messing about with the DJI Action 3 trying to get something to work on it. I was playing about with the audio and I left it at plus 20, so the audio was just shocking. However, today is like it was earlier in this week. I think it was Tuesday. The weather's very nice and sunny. I've got a bit of time to myself today, and I thought, let's go and do that run again. So here we are. We're starting in Dairsie in Fife, just about 15 minutes, 20 minutes from my house, maybe less. And already you can see that wonderful landscape. Now, this is a very short run. We're going to Pit and Beam. No, it's not. I get this all the time. It's not Pit and Beam. It's Pitscottie. What a dork. Anyway, we're going to Pitscottie. And it's a very picturesque road, and there's even a waterfall that we'll stop at. So let's have a look at this. It's only a few miles, 2 or 3 miles in total. And hopefully we won't see too much in the way of traffic. We're about to cross, I think it's the River Eden, very shortly. We'll go over a very nice picturesque bridge. Yeah, there's the water there. That comes out at Guard Bridge, I think, and it joins the North Sea eventually there. It's pretty windy today, and it's probably as warm as it's been. It's 13 degrees it was in the car this morning. Brilliant. Rain coming next few days, of course. There we are. How good is that? Better get off a bridge. Yeah, Pitscottie, that's where we're going. And these two beautiful cottages. So picturesque. Big lovely double garage as well. Well, it's been a bad week, I suppose. I was out on Sunday just for a general ride, just got out on the bike Sunday morning. And I ended up losing my DJI Action 1 camera. It fell off the bike. How that happened, I have no idea, because the bracket's still there and the screw still holding it is there. So needless to say, pretty down about that. I love that camera. Did something in the order of 750-ish videos the last time I looked. But it's gone. I've reported it as lost property. I'm keeping an eye out if someone's trying to sell it on Gumtree or the likes, and we'll see what is. Right, here we are. This is the little waterfall I was telling you about. We'll stop here. The guy's walking his dogs. Or dog. Poor wee thing. There we go. Right. Let me give you a coin. Now, we've caught this just in time because I've seen pictures of this when the trees are in full bloom and you don't actually see very much up there. But what a gorgeous, gorgeous little spot. I think this might be called the Kemback Waterfall, perhaps. If I'm not right, I'll put a thing under the screen to tell you what it is. I took lots of pictures the other day. I'll put them up now. And hopefully you can see what a lovely spot it is. I was still weeping and wailing about the loss of my DJI camera when I came here. I think it might have been Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday, no matter. It happens, eh? I went back and I searched the location 4 times because I think I know where it come off. I even took a little metal detector in the long grass, but no joy. Look at that. Now I had a look on Google Earth, and on that side there's I think there's plain fields and things like that, which amazed me. And there's, I think that's the River Eden. I can only imagine what that's like when it's raining in the bad weather. There's the outfall from the waterfall. Okay, let's go and have a look at the rest of the road that goes all the way to Pitscottie. There's a couple of picturesque cottages around here. They'll not get much of a TV signal here, I would imagine. They're in a dip. A working phone box, another bridge over the river. So pretty. Here's another lovely house. It just looks cracking, doesn't it? I'm going to be making a couple of very short videos on some aspects of the NT1100 that I've got. I have watched many videos on the NT1100, and I haven't seen too much in the way in what the button clusters on either side do. I've heard people say things like QWERTY keyboard, and there are a lot of buttons, there's no doubt about that, but I'm going to tell you why I think they're really good. More houses up there. Yeah, so I'm going to let you know why I think that Honda's actually got the human interface just about spot on, regardless of the number of buttons. So that's a couple of videos that's going to be coming up over the next couple of weeks. They'll just be short things, nothing special, but it kind of fills a hole in the YouTube market, as they say, because I haven't seen very many of them. Right, that's us in Pitscottie. Nice coffee shop there in front. Had a coffee the other day. I can't see around this corner. There we go. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye for now.